This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Rusty Drummer. Welcome to 4320 Mill Pond Drive, a beautifully refreshed single-level home featuring modern updates for easy living. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath home offers an inviting open floor plan, perfect for entertaining and relaxation. Recent upgrade include brand new laminate floors, sleek countertops, stainless steel appliances, new light fixtures, toilets and fresh paint throughout. You'll love the cathedral ceilings and bonus sunroom that could be used as a den or office. Located just minutes from shopping, dining, and easy access to I-640 and I-40, this home combines convenience with charm. Situated in a convenient neighborhood with low HOA fees that covers lawn care, common area upkeep and more. This home is move-in ready. For more information, review the details below or contact Rusty Drummer at 865-584-4000.